What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's Lex here, and I am here with my boho braids. Now, if you guys haven't seen the full tutorial on the boho braids, tap in. I'm gonna put it somewhere in the corner and also in the description box as well. I have a full-on detailed tutorial on how to get the boho knotless braids with the human bulk hair from Y Wigs. Now, these are the same braids. I've had them for about, I think, 2 weeks at this point, and I'm actually getting ready to take them out, but I wanted to give you guys basically different styles that you can do with your boho braids while you have them or after you install them. So personally, I'm in love with these and I really would like to do them again, but it's wig season for me. It's getting cool outside and I'm finna get it popping with the wigs now. So to refresh my hair or refresh the curls, I do just like to spray with water and then just kind of use my fingers to mess around with the curls if they're a little tangled or whatever. That's just a little side note. And if you want to put a little icing on top, you can spray it with water or just re-dip the braids in hot water and then just put mousse over top of it and they look brand new. But like I said, we're gonna do styles with the boho braids. So enough talking, but let's get into the styles. But before we do that, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and like this video. Let's get into it.
Let your act out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now. Got me bummed out. You baby, baby, baby. I've been on my hands in my shit. I should've given from the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, you baby, you don't care. This is hurt. Trying to make some simple change. Got me a war in my mind. Let it go away. If you was holding me to the right, but it will break up in front of me. All the while, I wait for all my favorites. Still wanna try, still believe me. Good days, always always inside. Good.
They just wanna fuck with you. Just they know I fuck with you. If I put my trust in you, what will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. Don't let it go, let it go. Don't let it slip away.
could be everything you wanted, boy. Don't let the
Whoa. Yeah. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. Baby, I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block, and it's like a ghost town.
If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do.